Tired of vacuuming and mopping? Meet the Roborock Qrevo Curv, a premium hybrid robot that's rewriting the rules of home cleaning with insane suction and next-level automation. Want to see why it's a game changer? Stick around. Hey tech fans, welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest in smart home tech. Today we're diving into the Roborock Qrevo Curv, a hybrid robot vacuum and mop that's turning heads with its powerful cleaning and cutting-edge features. Let's roll. The Roborock Qrevo Curv is a beast with 18,500 PA of suction, among the highest in the game. It tackles everything from pet hair to deep carpet dirt with its tangle-free duo divide brush, which funnels hair to the center for easy cleanup. It's called a stylish alternative with superior corner coverage thanks to its FlexiArm side brush and mop that extend to hit edges other bots miss. What sets the Qrevo Curv apart? Its Adapt-to-Lift chassis. This bot can lift itself up to 4 centimeters to cross thresholds or thick rugs, perfect for homes with tricky layouts. Sources say it nails high thresholds, making it a top pick for multi-level floors. Plus, its sleek, curved dock isn't just pretty. It empties dust for up to 7 weeks, washes mops at 167 degrees Fahrenheit, and dries them to kill bacteria. This isn't just muscle, it's brains too. The Qrevo Curv uses AI-powered smart plan to pick the best cleaning modes for each room. With lighter RGB cameras and 62 object avoidance, it dodges cords and toys like a pro. Vacuum Wars crowned it #1 on their top 20 list for its remarkable navigation and hot water mopping that scored 104 on tough stain tests. And you can control it with Hello Rocky voice commands or Alexa. The Qrevo Curv is a premium investment, but sources say it's worth every penny for its flawless cleaning and low maintenance. Got pets or high-pile carpets? This bot is your match. Tell us in the comments, would you splurge on this cleaning king? That's the lowdown on the Roborock Qrevo Curv. If you're stoked about smarter home cleaning, hit that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and tap the bell icon for more tech scoops.